Buying helium equipment.
Outside today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. And today we are in Boston. Oh my God! Look at all these big buildings. None of them have antennas, man. Well, some do. That's crazy. Look at this. That's wild. Perfect setup right there. I will set a massive antenna right there. If I live there, be lit. Yeah, guys, so the reason why I'm over here in Boston is because I'm meeting somebody halfway. I'm trying to build an outdoor setup, so he's got this battery pack from Verizon, so that's what I'm waiting for to buy. So we're outside today. Let's get it. It's a beautiful day out here. How high you think they're gonna go? I had to pause for a second to let it. Yup, this is what we're doing. We're waiting.